Good morning class. In our previous class we already done chapter number 5, Fairs and Circus, and I'm checking your work. Some students are sending their works. It's good. Okay, so today we started class chapter number 6, India's Journey of Food. In this chapter class we learn about food we get from plants, means how we get food from plants and which types of foods we get from plants, and second we learn about how food reach us. Okay, so today we start these two things. First I explain you can see on the board class, I'm writing here food we get from plants. Okay, the journey of food. First we know about the journey of food. See, we all need food class because food gives us energy, food gives us growth, because if we can't eat food we can't grow properly, we can't do any work properly. So food is a major and important thing for us. Okay, so journey of food. In this chapter today we learn about food we get from plants. Okay, you see class, in many plants having some fruits, some having vegetables, okay, and some having cereals and pulses. So all these things we are using in our daily routine. So first we start with food grains. Okay, so food we get from plants. So first we learn about food grains. Food grains, okay, in grains form we use food like wheat, rice, oats, corn, etc. These are the called cereals also. Okay, so wheat, rice, oats, corn, all these are the grains and we daily use these things, and this is also called cereals. Okay, so food grains is we get from plants. Second I am writing here pulses. You can see here pulses. So pulses we get from plants. Okay, and oil seeds, we are using so many types of oil like sunflower, mustard oil and soybean oil. So all oil we get from seeds, and seeds we get from plants. Okay, so plants is a major source of food in our earth. Okay, so you can see the structure of plants. They are having leaves, they are having fruits, they are having roots, okay, and they are having stems also. Okay, so in some different ways we using this all these parts of plants. Like we learn about grains. Okay, see, every fruit having seeds, every fruit having grains. Okay, so grains we get from plants. Okay, this is the example of food grains like wheat, rice, oats. All these are food grains and we get from plants. Okay, pulses, oil seeds, seeds we get from plants. Okay, and these seeds go to in factories, and factories using these seeds and they separate the oil from the seeds. So we using cooking oil like mustard oil, soybean oil and sunflower oils. So oil we also get from plants. Okay, second is next fruits and vegetables. See, we eat different types of fruits like apple, mango, banana, papaya, watermelon, everything. Okay, so all this fruit from where we get from this thing, plants. Okay, different plants having different types of fruits. Okay, if we see any papaya plants, so they give out papaya fruit. If we are seeing any apple tree, so apple tree gives us apples. So we get fruits and vegetables from plants. Next one is spices. We are using spices in our cooking, and in all over India our spice is also famous because these spices gives the flavor and specific aroma in the food. So we see so many things we get from plants. Okay, food grains, pulses, oil seeds, fruits, vegetables and spices. Okay, so food we get from plants. These are the things we get from the plants. हम अपनी डेली रूटीन्स में बहुत सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं क्लास, विच वी गेट फ्रॉम प्लांट्स, जो अधिकतर हमारे प्लांट से ही हमें मिलती हैं. ओके, सो in this chapter, journey of food, first we know about food we get from plants, and second, how food reaches. See, now we know we get from food from plants. Now how they come for us, किस तरह से वो हमारे पास पहुँचते हैं. So I make here one chart here class, so you can understand one by one how food reach us. I am writing here first is preparation of soil. Okay, so in field you can see some farmers, first they prepare the soil by clogging, and they separate unwanted thing from the field, and they prepare the soil for sowing the seeds. So first step I am writing here 1, so you can see here preparation of the soil. First stage is preparation of the soil. First they prepare the field, then sowing seeds. After preparing the soils, farmers sowing seeds into the field. Okay, after sowing the seeds, and then all soils and seeds need some nutrients. Okay, so they add some manure and fertilizers. Okay, manure is a man-made thing and fertilizers is a mixed of chemicals things, and they add these things in the soil, so soil gets some more nutrients. Okay, so first they prepare soil, then they sowing seeds, after they adding some manure and fertilizers. Then after they irrigate the field. Irrigation means they provide water from field. ओके, वो फील्ड पे वाटर भेजते हैं जिससे कि जो प्लांट्स है वो प्रॉपरली ग्रो हो सके, इरिगेट हो सके. सो टुडेज आर सो मेनी थिंग्स फॉर द इरिगेशन, लाइक स्प्रिंकल सिस्टम इज देयर, ट्यूब वेल्स एंड वाटर वेल इज देयर. So they are using different things for irrigate the field. So after irrigation, crops is properly grow. After that they harvest. Harvest means वो उसकी कटाई करते हैं. जब properly crops grow हो जाती हैं, the next step is harvesting. Harvesting means उसकी जो crops की होती है वो कटाई होती है. After harvesting they go out in the one machine, and this process is called threshing. Threshing is a thing which separate husk and unwanted thing from the grains. Like wheat and rice, they are having so many impurities, and husk is also there. So threshing is the process, they separate these particles from the grains. So I make here one chart so you can easily understand how food reaches. First I write here preparation of soil. Okay, one more time I repeat this: preparation of soil, sowing seeds. Okay, after prepare the soils, they sowing the seeds on it, then they adding some manures and fertilizers. Okay, to improve the nutrients capacity of the soil. अब soils में properly nutrients मिल गए हैं. Okay, then they irrigate the field. Irrigation is the next process after the adding the manure and fertilizers. Then harvesting. A crop is properly grown. Now they harvest the crops. Then they move on. The next step is called threshing. Threshing is the things which separate grains from the unwanted things like husk and mud and stones and any other things. So today we learn about class journey in the food. First we know about food we get from plants, means how we get from food from plants. Then how food reaches. Food हमारे पास कैसे आता है, this is the second thing. And the next thing is storage. Okay, how food reaches, you know how it is prepared. Now they stored in some godowns and some cold stores, and they distribute in the some mandis and all these things, and they are available in the market for us. So today we know about the journey of food class. Okay, I hope so you understand. And